Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have solution for every homeowner battling stubborn rust stains caused by irrigation systems. Get ready to say goodbye to those pesky stains with the American Hydro System's Rid-O Rust Liquid Rust Stain Remover. This isn't just any rust stain remover. It's the best Rid-O rust preventer for sprinkler systems available in the market. Let's break down why. First off, it's a multi-surface rust remover, designed to tackle rust, calcium, and lime stains effortlessly. Whether it's your driveway, siding, or even your boat, this formula has got you covered. And the best part? No scrubbing required. Simply apply with a pump sprayer, let it work its magic, and watch those stains disappear like magic. Now, let's talk about versatility. This rust stain remover isn't just for your home. It's perfect for commercial use too. Keep your sidewalks, parking lots, and storefronts looking pristine with ease. So, if you're tired of battling stubborn rust stains caused by your sprinkler system, it's time to invest in the ultimate solution: American Hydro System's Rid-O Rust. Say hello to a rust-free, sparkling clean exterior with just a few sprays. Don't let those stains ruin your curb appeal any longer. Try it out today. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on the best products in the market. Until next time, happy cleaning!